What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is JJ, and for today's video, I am going to be doing a Thomas & Friends wooden railway unboxing video. I recently purchased these items a few weeks ago at my local Barnes & Noble. These items are Rebecca, she's the yellow engine at the top, the troublesome truck and paint, that's him on the left, and the troublesome truck and crates, that's him on the right. So stay tuned, for we are going to see how awesome these new versions of Thomas Wooden Railway looks. So I already cut the tape off, and let's see how Rebecca looks. Ooh, very nice. Look at that, guys. I love the amount of detail that the producers made into making Rebecca. Especially her nameplate, you can see it very clearly, and the amount of detail on her side tanks and her tender, they just match up. And I love the field coal that's also on her tender and whatever this piece is on the back. But all in all, a great piece to have in the Thomas Wooden Railway franchise. On to our next item. So the next item I'm going to be unboxing is the troublesome truck and paint. This guy looks like he's not having a good day, having to carry a bunch of broken old paint pots and cans and being splattered with paint everywhere. This guy I very much like because of the amount of detail that the producers made into the paint pots and cans inside of him. He looks like a broken old garbage truck taking away a whole bunch of garbage down to the garbage dump. And his facial expression, he does not look happy at all. He looks like he's tired of having to haul garbage and having to haul paint cans from to and fro, from here to there and stuff like that. Alright, on to our next item. Alright, our third and final item is going to be the troublesome truck and crates. This guy looks like he's about to cause some mischief because of all those crates in his truck, and his face just looks like it's full of deviousness, like he's about to pull a trick on an engine or something. Alright, let's get on with unboxing him. This guy either looks like he's about to cause some mischief, or he's about to be very proud of the work that he's done. I can't tell. What do you guys think? Comment down below what do you think he looks like. A truck looking to cause mischief, or a truck who's very proud of the work that he does. Like I've said before, these new versions of the Thomas Wooden Railway franchise toys are very much welcome in my book. They are a very well-known brand that's been around for over 70 years, and I hope it continues long after that.